na na-express niyo yung love niyo sa isa't isa?
I think po galing po yun kasi sa family ko. Kasi dun sa family ko, we're very expressive with how we show our affection for each other. Both sides of the family, my mom's side and my dad's side. So, yun po talaga yung kinalalakihan ko. And I guess, kapag komportable ako sa isang tao, kumbaga si Michael, na masasabi ko naging isang best friend ko na dito sa industriya, eh, papakita ko talaga na masaya ako kasama siya, yung pagmamahal ko for him, and yun. So I think I'm happy na positive po yung reception ng Team Melly sa amin dalawa kasi honestly, it doesn't feel like work when we're together, especially sa mga guestings kasi parang kasama mo lang yung best friend mo. And I think that's one of the perks of being here now in this industry and from the house na you're able to make connections like that. So, maraming salamat.
And yung na-interview nakaraan si Michael, parang may Q&A siyang sinagot na kapag nagkatrabaho daw kayo, parang gusto niya magkapatid yung role nyo.
Oo.
Pero biglang sinabi ng mga netizen, hindi, gusto namin BL. Ano reaction niya?
I think whenever the opportunities come to us, we will do 100%. Michael and I are very open and of course very professional. So whatever opportunities are in front of us, we will always say yes.
Thank you so much.